that journey we have launched in ZAC exhibition in Mumbai. The thought process is it's very simple. We wanted to provide a solution to facade fenestration where they don't have to wait for any answer from anybody. This has been created using artificial intelligence, and the library of question has been integrated so that any consumer, architect, fabricator, they can get answer to their query. This has been created as a neutral platform. This is not specific to any organization. Currently, we are doing with ACP glass. We have planned to integrate more product in this chat platform so that any consumer can get real-time answer. For the industry, normally the consumers, the fabricators or architect or building owners, they want the answer to their query. So it will not only help the people who is in this ecosystem, but obviously it will help the newcomers as well, like upcoming architect, upcoming designers. They can, when they are studying, they can get their answer through this platform. What all products are available in India or international market, so they can explore it. So all the solution and the subject will be provided at one platform for all the products. Nextcom is a name we have given at Aludecor for our product honeycomb, and honeycomb is very well accepted in international market, and now slowly it is gaining its place in Indian market. Nextcom, as you know, it's made up of honeycomb, which is very lightweight, and you can use bigger panels for facade, you can use for partition walls, you can use for furniture itself. It is already accepted in India also, but not in an organized manner. We have done many projects in last 2 years. To name some of the projects like Guwahati, Patna, we are doing with hospital also, which is about to come. So this product is already accepted by the government bodies. In their nomenclature, in their specification, they have well accepted, because by default this is fire retardant product. So you don't have to worry about what would be the core and all those things. And the second beauty is all the panels will be factory made. So the execution will be very good. The panels will be ready in our factory itself. You just have to install it. So I see great future for this product in Indian market. If you see the components which we are using and the way of manufacturing which we are using 2K technology, and all the materials are aluminium. So there is nothing, we are using any plastic material or any hazardous material. So by default, this is a A2 material. Because it's aluminum, so it's a recyclable material. It's a sustainable product also. We are using aluminum from the available resources. And aluminum by default, it's a sustainable product. We are the only company who has developed this technology to create our own core. We can give you different thickness, different width. So when anybody who is creating all the raw material in-house, you have a couple of advantages. One is quality. When you are integrating all the raw material at same place, you will have obviously the quality control, which is we are pioneer and we believe in our core DNA. It's a quality is the first thing. Second is you can get the faster material from our plant, because we are not dependent on third party or external vendors where they will send us the material and then only we will manufacture. So as we are developing core in-house, so we can give you quality material, we can give you faster material. Yeah. Alubreeze is a product which we have created using our roller coating technology. The beauty is we have used some of the already inbuilt technology which we had, like coil coating. We are using same coil coating machine to coat the coils for Alubreeze, and then we have a machine to bend it. And when you compare with other facade material, they are also good at their part. But what we are giving, it will make your material as a lighter weight as compared to that. You can get different finishes which is available in Aludecor ACP. So just think about, I can give you one example. You are using in a building, so you are having different panels of ACP like wooden shade. You want same wooden shade in Alubreeze or this sun louvers also. So as we are using same coil coating technology, it will be seamless color. But currently, if you see in Indian market, it's both are getting manufactured by somebody else. One is ACP manufacturer, one is extruded manufacturer. The paint will not be same. The beautiness with us is we would give you same finish in both the product. So if you believe, if you see Aludecor from the beginning, when we started and where we have come today, we have always believed in sustainable product, healthy product and safety. These three were the things which we always wanted. Any product which we come up for anywhere, for Indian market or international market, these three will be the major thought process behind any product. So safety is the thing where if you see today people are using non-FR product. ACP is widely used everywhere. If you are not using fire retardant product, it will create not only the problem with the people who are using it, but also the people who are staying inside the building. So from that day, we have promoted people should use FR rated product. So if you see, we have different ranges of fire retardant product, class B, class A2, honeycomb also, zinc also we have. So all those products has been come up keeping in mind these three major principle which we follow at Aludecor. With the fire movement, this is we are doing it from last so many years, and we will continue to do it until every ACP is converted into the fire retardant product. We will not stop it. We will continue doing this, and our dream is any ACP manufacturer, not only Aludecor, any ACP manufacturer, and for Indian market, it should be fire retardant product only. Beat the fire.